Hi everybody, this is Felicia, and I have another video for Wild Whispers Designs. I'm going to be scrapping this photo here of my granddaughter, and this is the photo that that she had to pose. She had to do this for me, so that was her choice on doing this kind of photo for me. And I'm using one of the collections from Wild Whispers Design, and that's the Wood Grains collections. This is the last layout of this month that I'll be using this collection, and then I start on the month of April with the next collection. So here I am trying to gather up some of the ephemera, and this is by Vicky Boutin, and I'm trying to find the good placements for the ephemera here. And I don't want to cover up the paper. Like I said, the paper is really pretty, and so I'm trying to make sure that you can at least see a good portion of the paper without cluttering it with a lot of embellishments. And so I'm going to be 3Ding some of the embellishments, and then some of them I'm going to be laying flat. Now, I decided to back this with a little bit of black and white to kind of offset it a little bit, and to give it a little bit more layers. And so that's what I chose to do right here, which helps soften the edge. And then also putting on this excess black here at the bottom, or I'm sorry, the top of the layout to make it stand out more. And so that is the photo there, and I just love that that fake smile of hers. But she's an awesome little girl, and so I decided to go ahead and kind of highlight a little bit here in the journaling that I'm going to be doing on this layout for my granddaughter. She is now, let's see, how old is she now? She is 7 years old now, and she's smart as a whip, and she has a personality that, I mean, with so much charisma, it's not even funny. And I have enjoyed watching their personalities grow over the years, and watching them grow up over the years and become who they are. It's been a real kind of, like, I would say, a real treat to even just observe that, because I'm not involved directly in raising them. The only time when I really, have anything to do with raising them is when they're staying with me or when they come and visit. So it's a little different now, but it's cool. It's nice to be able to kind of enjoy this end of child rearing as a grandparent. So now I'm looking for this font. Now this font is from the Hit Kit, and I'm going to be using this. It's like a puffy sticker font, and it matches perfect with the paper. I mean, it's a darker gray, and it kind of offsets the lighter gray paper, and it's perfect for this paper. So I would say if you're going to use any kind of um, alphas, I would say use something that kind of like is just a different tone, but kind of in the same gray type of family there. And it's going to be simple. This title is going to be her name, of course, and I'm going to kind of stagger it up and down and give it a little bit of a different look. And that's what I'm going to be doing here. And I'm going to be putting some enamel dots underneath the highlighted letters to fill in that space there. So I'm getting the enamel dots right now, and then I'm going to be putting the rest of these darker gray hue, and they match perfect with the alphas as well. And I'm going to be spreading them about here on the layout here in different areas. You can see there, kind of gives it a little bit more interest, pops everything out, and you can see the little dark gray circles there. So now that I've got those down, I'm going to pick a few off of here, off of the alpha sheet as well, because there's some on here. I'm going to take those off and put them up in the upper, what's that, left-hand corner. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what side of the screen is this on for me. So, alrighty. So once I get those down, I had to add a little bit of the quick dry glue there, and so that they'll stay. And now I'm going to start working on something else here on the layout, which is the journaling. Yay! So now this journaling is going to go down the bottom here, and it pretty much talks about what I just told you about how I'm enjoying watching my granddaughter grow and how I'm watching her become her own person. And she is just awesome. She really is. She's a great little girl there, and very friendly, very outgoing. I wonder what she's going to be like though when she gets in high school, because you know how they say the kids change. So I'm wondering how that's going to be. So that's what I'm writing about right now. It's quite a bit of journaling, and I've been doing a lot more of that lately, putting more journaling down to pretty much go over some of my photos because my photos are not, what's the word, specific or about any subject, just photos that I take that I really like now lately. So that's what I like. I like to take them like that, and then I'm just pretty much going to journal about the photo and tell you exactly what's on my mind and why I decided to go ahead and scrap that photo. So now I'm done with the journaling. I'm going to put down some of this Heidi Swapp black velvet, and I am pretty much done with the layout. So be sure to tune into Wild Whispers or go to their shop and collect your wood grains collections because you will love this paper, I promise you. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.